What's up guys, over 102 here helping you with some source FilmMaker errors and shit. Let us begin. First off, I got a question from my subscriber and member of the Filmers of Equestria group asking,
how did you get rid of the diagonal line from the camera? Nice tutorial slash.
Well, the answer is this. First, click on Animation Set Editor, then click Create Animation Set for new camera, then go to Motion Editor, click on the camera and see bloom scale. Turn that shit off. It's putting that string of semen on your screen, see? Much better. Second, washed out color. What you want to do is turn down max scale. The downer it is, the darker it gets. Well, that's all for today. Over 102 out. Cue the outro.